What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Going to go over our friend Matic as well as Ethereum. Currently sitting at $1.10, up 3 point, down 3.9 on the day. Saying market cap 9.54. B. 24-hour volume 502 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bickit or Bybit, sign up, grab those bonuses. Do the majority of my trading here on Bickit. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Let's hop into the charts. So Matic is coming down. Looks like it's going to come down to this support at 107. I have a buy order here, so hopefully that hits. I do think that bounce is coming soon, as I've been mentioning. Does look like we've completed that wave 5 down. I had to adjust this wave count a little bit, so most likely you're looking at a wave 1, wave 2. You've come down in a wave 3. This was a 4, and right now you're coming down in a final wave 5. The micro counts can be inaccurate. I do think there's a good chance of a bounce coming soon. We have bullish divergence on the 4-hour, but of course anything can happen in the crypto space. So just keep that in mind. We are looking for that wave B to basically put in a right shoulder and then come down, and you have a nice head and shoulders pattern. If this support is lost, we come all the way down. The next support's all the way down to about 102. That $1 level would be your next level to look at for a bounce for the price of Matic. As you can see, money is starting to flow back in on the daily while price is dropping, so I do think you could see a bounce relatively soon. Taking a look at Ethereum, I think it's likely we're putting in our wave A right now. So I need to adjust this wave count a little bit here. I think that's your wave 4 right there, and leading diagonal, and then coming down in the wave 5 you have a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Let me change the color just so it's not confusing. Okay, let's change it to white. And basically what you'd be looking at is you've come down in a wave A, see a wave B pullback, come down in a final wave C to take you down to the most likely the $1,300 range. This is what I think is likely for Ethereum, is we're going to come back down to the support of this ascending triangle as we've been predicting here on the channel. Let these divergences play out, bounce off that ascending support, and see continuation to the upside back up to about 1967, and so far that's been playing out to a T. So we're looking for that wave B as well for Ethereum, and then coming down in that wave C. Money is also flowing back in on the daily while price is coming down, so I do think a bounce is close. It's just around the corner, but it does look like we're gonna put in one more lower low. Potentially that could be already in as we broke the wave 3, but the wave 5 target is 515, the 618, and then see a nice bounce in the wave B. But as I mentioned, it can happen at any time. So that's it for Ethereum. For Matic, I do think the bounce is coming soon. We have strong support at about 107. As you can see, support in this area. If we scroll back, let me see where the support is. Yeah, in between about $1 to about $1.07 there's support. Yeah, right here there's quite a lot of support. $1.05, right in that $1 to $1.07 range. There's quite a lot of support, and could definitely give a good opportunity for Matic to see a bounce. What we may do here is just break below this 107, grab the liquidity, and then put in that wave B. I do think there's a high probability of that happening for our friend Matic. All right, so make sure to sign up to either Bybit or Bitkit. We are short Ethereum and Bitcoin from basically the peak, locking in some juicy gains. And everything else is completely free if you sign up to one of the exchanges. Trade signals by the members, chart patterns, all types of analysis, completely for free. And at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, trade signals, crypto news, member profits, same price as a Netflix subscription, or a pepperoni pizza with a drink that's going to clog your arteries. You don't really need that. So sign up to the Patreon link. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Much love. Take care. Bye-bye.